Hey girls, have you ever wondered why in the world can't I stick to a budget? Have you ever started a budget, stuck with it for maybe a little bit, a week, maybe even a month, and then you fall off the wagon? You get stuck back in that rut again. Why can't you once and for all be done with it already? That is exactly what I am going to show you how to do. We know what it's like. Me and my husband, our family, we know what it feels like to live in that paycheck to paycheck cycle. What does that mean? It means that we go to work every single day, we come home, we start over again the next day. And what happens when we get that paycheck? It just goes straight to the bills. Stop letting your money just go away and go straight to your bills. I want you to be able to put that hard-earned money towards some exciting goals and dreams that you have for your family. It all is possible if you have a goal-based budget. I created a brand new course called 30-Day Family Finance Rescue. This is a course for all of our pearls to help you finally take control of your family finances. Our family has been there. We used to be in over $20,000 in debt. We went from 2 incomes down to a single income family, living in one of the most expensive cities in the country. And we had big goals and dreams for our family, like one day owning our own home. And also we wanted to be done with debt once and for all. Just 1 year after hubby and I sat down and started implementing the whole system, the money mentality, the value-based goals, a goal-based budget, once we started implementing this whole system that I teach you and walk you through, helping you customize every step of the way in 30-Day Family Finance Rescue, once we implemented this same system that I'm going to teach you, we were able to pay off our over $20,000 in debt in just 1 year. And guess what was next? 6 months after we became debt-free, hubby and I paid in cash for a couple's trip to Costa Rica. Are you kidding me? If you would have asked me like 3 years ago if Costa Rica was even on our radar, I would have told you, heck no, there is no way that hubby and I are gonna go on a trip to Costa Rica. But it happened, and that's not it. 6 months after we came home from Costa Rica, we put money down on our first house that we've ever owned. So are you seeing how quickly things can start to pick up? If you're thinking right now in your mind, where do I want my family to be in 1 year, maybe even 5 years, maybe 10 years? I want you to get pumped and excited, because know that if you implement this system that I teach you in this course, that is going to become a reality for you and your family. What's the problem? Why can't you get your budget to stick? It's because we've been doing it wrong this whole time. Why hasn't anybody ever told us this? In order to have a successful budget, it doesn't start with the numbers. Did you hear that? It doesn't start with the numbers. First, you need to start with your money mentality, then move on to setting value-based, intentional, prioritized goals. From there, what do you need? You need a financial action plan for each one of your top prioritized goals. In this course, I am going to teach you how to do exactly this. I'm not just going to throw our family's example at you. I am going to share those numbers with you because I think it's useful for you to be able to see real life in action numbers from a family, but I am going to teach you how to customize every single step along the way to make sure that it fits perfectly with what your family needs. First, we're going to tackle your money mentality. Make sure that you are getting rid of, once and for all, those negative attitudes and those negative habits. We are going to help you self-diagnose which attitudes and which habit need to be a priority for you to start tackling this month in your 30-Day Family Finance Rescue. We're not only going to diagnose, but we are going to overcome these negative money mentalities, because if you don't first get over your money mentality, then once we actually do get to the numbers, it's not going to mean a thing. You can set however many budgets you want, try whatever techniques you need, but if you haven't got over those negative attitudes and those negative habits, you're not going to be able to stick with it. That's where we've been going wrong this entire time. In order to have a successful goal-based budget, where your budget is actually getting you and your family closer to your goals, it doesn't start with the numbers. First, money mentality. Second, we are going to get some seriously focused, value-based, prioritized goals. I'm going to take you by the hand, help you figure out what your family needs, what your family values most in life. Then we are going to dream big, but not only dreaming big, I'm going to help you dream big and realistic. And then we're going to focus that down, prioritize, and I'm also going to teach you how to prioritize as your life and your family seasons change. As you go through different seasons with your family, your priorities are going to change. So I teach you how to keep that customized budget going, that customized goal-based budget moving and evolving as your family grows. And then after we have prioritized your value-based goals, for every one of those top prioritized goals, I'm going to show you how to create a financial action plan to actually achieve those goals. That plan is going to show you what steps need to happen in order to help your family make those goals, those dreams, your reality. Okay, so then you have a financial action plan. What do you do with it? In 30-Day Family Finance Rescue, I walk you through on how to make room in your budget. It doesn't matter what your family's income picture looks like. It doesn't matter what your family situation looks like. I know we have single mamas. I know we have married couples. We even have college students. It doesn't matter what the financial makeup looks like for your family. I teach you how to customize and find ways to make room in your budget, no matter where you're starting, to help you start working that financial action plan into a budget that is based off of and getting you towards those awesome goals that you have for your family. And then to tie it all together, I want to make sure that you and your family are able to stick with it and keep going. How many times have you fallen off and had to start over on a new budget, or you just feel completely defeated? I don't want you to feel like that anymore. I'm going to teach you 5 systems and 5 tools for you to use anytime that any of these hurdles or roadblocks come up in the way. And it's not if, it is when they do come up in the way. And if you apply these tools, not only are you going to be able to hop the hurdle, bust through the wall, you are going to come out stronger on the other side than before you went in. I go into detail on how to use tools like a cash envelope system, meal planning on a budget, and several other things in detail. Customize. That is the key thing. I'm walking you through figuring out how to set a customized system to implement your goal-based budget and make sure that it's something that your family is insanely motivated to stick with. Having a budget that isn't just paying the bills every single week, though that's important, we're making sure that that's getting done. Even if you're behind on bills, I'm helping you getting on top of things, but also making sure that the big picture behind your budget is all about your family's goals and your dreams. That's what's going to keep you guys motivated. That's what's going to help you guys stick with it. Figuring out your family finances can be complicated. I don't want you to wait. I don't want you to think this time next year or even just in 6 months and wonder and say, what if I would have started taking action back then? Where could we be right now? It took us 6 years. The years just go by way too fast. It took us 6 years before we started taking action. I don't want that to happen for you. I don't want you to wait 1 more week. Start taking action now and rescuing your family finances. If you want to find out more information about this new course, I've left a link to FAMLYFinanceRescue.com down in the description for you. Of course, if you guys have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And I want to know, what would it mean for your family if you started rescuing your family finances today? What would it mean for your family if in 30 days you were demolishing all these negative money attitudes, money habits, started replacing them with positive attitudes and positive habits with your money? What would happen if you started a goal-based budget and figured out a financial action plan to, in reality, start getting you to achieving these amazing goals that maybe in this moment don't seem possible, but they really are if you get this action plan in place and start it Now, I want to know, what would that mean for your family? Let's chat about it down in the comments. I am so excited about this course. I get messages and emails from our pearls on a daily basis asking me for help. Now, I wish I could do the one-on-one with everybody, but that would just take too much time away from my family, and I know you guys understand. So over the past 12 months, the past year, I've been thinking and trying and pouring my heart into figuring out a way that I could virtually hold your hand and take you through the whole process that our family did. But instead of taking 6 years, I'm gonna help you create that same foundation in just 30 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are feeling just as excited as I am about you starting your family finance rescue. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.